So, hello and welcome on this channel. Today we are celebrating, or a few days, I think 2 days ago, I reached here 100 subscribers on this channel. And to celebrate this, I will upload 10 videos because 10 is like the square root of 100. 10 videos on this channel in the next 10 days. And thank you for a subscription. If you aren't subscribed yet, feel free to do so. And we're starting this 10-day challenge for me. Within a live solve of Omid's challenge. I never did a live solve of Omid's challenges, but here we are. So table transformation. I have a broad idea what I will do here. And let's see. This could be difficult because of the numbers. Okay, I will use first a filter function. Filter this if is number this, but I want here a not. So filter all lines out that are numbers, and this should give me this. So bam, here we are. Because we have here our table, and here everywhere where there isn't a number, so there's a letter, we have this filtered out. And I now thought I could use here like an XLOOKUP. Oh no, not an XLOOKUP, so I could use here scan. Initial value 0, and then here, and then lambda AB. If is number B, then B, otherwise A. So to get here those dates tracked down and then do an XLOOKUP, but I saw here that we have, in this case, it will not work because we have here, for example, in B where there isn't a B, so I think I will use the same here. So I will filter. So I will filter this where there isn't a number in this column here. Not is number, close all the brackets. This hasn't worked. Yeah. Only this column, bam, and now we can concatenate this in a single formula, put it in a let, and we are good to go. So let, this is our array. So A or T, I don't know, I will name this T because we have here a table transformation. And then we want to HSTACK. So HSTACK scan. So first column F, take T because I need this 2 times, TT1, and then scan. So S or R for running. Scan with a 0, F, lambda AB, if B, if is number B, then we want to have B, otherwise we want to have A. So I can show this is like the thing here before. And then we want to HSTACK filter as where, so we can here also name IN for is number for the first column because we need this multiple times. Name this I so we are shorter. And here, no, this will not get tracked down. So filter S, so like the scan here, if this is not I, so I think I will also use only not. So if this is I, so take a look. So we have here our date, and then we want to have this here stacked with the other function together. So the whole table if there isn't a number here, so not a date or a number, but only a letter. And we have here our table. Here normally you could also do here the header kind of stuff. If you want to have this here, if you VSTACK here a header in, but yeah, we could do this. I can also be like, yeah, this. Check this. No, I've screwed up the formatting. And you could also do this manually, either by using here a like dynamic array, or do here a separate HSTACK in with like date, product, and quantity. So we're good to go. And now you can bring this on here. Sorry, wait for a little bit. Semicolon. Not work. Otherwise, do this manually. Oh, give me a sec. I've put this in a Word document. That is the normal way I do this if I don't use OA robot. And then we're good to go. Also with the header here. Like this challenge and follow Omid on LinkedIn. I don't know if you have currently other answers there. Could be. I was quite slow with all the explaining stuff. But no, we're the first. So thank you for your attention. I hope to see you also in the other videos in the next 9 to 10 days. And here, thank you for your subscription. Appreciate it. Bye.